Well, Sears is going to get a little bit of a workout today. The local dump is only open 2 days per year for tree debris, and I mean, it's just on the other side of town, pretty close. So I'm going to go through all the bushes and pull out all the stumps and everything. She's going to fire. It's not that cold out. For a bit. Yeah, in case I flip, with single rear wheels is going to tip me. It sucks with the control stick too. Gives you a little bit of a ride.
Aw, you'd make a cute little cowboy.
You said it was a little stump.
It is a little stump. Why wouldn't you put that in the hole? Yep. stump.
What?
Small stump.
Yeah, well, with the dualies? Oh, my ass just literally stuck to that seat so much, I swear it took out some... Oh, wait, the tuck tape inverted. It did take out some hair. Yeah. Look how far in it was, hey?
I know.
That's a meter almost. This might be, yeah, pretty close. Yeah. That's not no normal pine tree. Hey, the tree you transplanted, I think you left some of him behind.
That was a different tree.
Oh. Well, then it's fine. Should have videotaped removing the hills here and moving all the soil.
Well, I mean, technically it's on the camera system. If
Yeah.
you get it off.
Yeah. Not gonna bother.
What a mess you made.
I know, hey? That, we're gonna have to rake all this back onto here because this will sink after the rain.
Yeah.
Okay, so where's the other stumps you were talking about?
I don't know, I think it's time for dinner.
Oh, so you're saying I should park it? Yeah, but I don't want a wet seat.
Don't.
No. The stump right here.
Yeah, but I'm not worried about that.
Okay, we're keeping that row of trees at the corner, right?
Ish.
Because that'll give shade from over this direction.
Yeah.
Once they grow up. This year I'll seed that tomorrow.
Yeah, there's quite a few spots where I think you should be seeding.
Yeah. Man, I did chew up the grass pretty good here, but at the same time, imagine if that had the chains on it, how bad it would have chewed it.
That's not a problem. That's going to be the walkway anyway.
Yeah. I guess so. Okay. This random project, and I've been using the diesel a fair bit. Took out about a 2-foot hill right there. Transplanted a bunch of trees. And this is going to be a fire pit area. But the girlfriend, I don't know, she thinks that we should be having a fire pit right where everyone can see it from the front road.
Yes, because you put the gate at the end of your property so that you don't block the view in your own property. You block outsiders' view of your property. The gate goes over there, that way you can see everything.
I think the swimming pool should go here and the fire pit should go on top of there.
Close to my bedroom. You know how many bugs would be coming in our window?
Yeah, well, this is screened for a reason.
The screen that you refused to fix because your dog tried to run through it.
What do you mean? That's where the camera cables are going. Oh, they're both right flat,
I
eh?
know, I told you that. You didn't believe me, but...
No, there's... Yeah, that sucks. And you've been using it.
Actually, technically, Logan has been using it at my direction.
How's that for a sunset? I don't know how well that rolled up. And she's a little tippy, and with no brakes on her makes her a little interesting to drive. Oh, that's good for the transmission, isn't it? Take all the pressure off these, otherwise my tank leaks. Oh, my ass stuck to that seat again. You know, I think the next thing I'm going to do on this is replace the seat because it sucks. It really does. Oh, and then maybe put back on my 3-point hitch, which is sitting in the dirt right there. Maybe the 3-point weight and maybe a set of dualies. Because that right there, it works, but I mean, you lift up anything and the ass of the tractor is up in there in a second. And it literally makes it so tippy that it's dangerous to use, you could say. But, yeah, I don't know what else I'm going to get into this weekend, but probably putting a roof on that. We'll see. Freaking alarm.